Erasing the record of your arrest is the final step in the PTI intervention program. Now that you successfully finished the program, you've done the right thing. You don't have a conviction on your record, but there is still a record of the arrest. The arrest record is what you must get rid of now. In this video, I'll explain to you how to erase your arrest record after you've successfully finished the PTI program. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the FEDORA Lawyer. This is where you can find practical answers to the questions that are important to you. Answers to questions about what to do if you ever get arrested. Answers to questions about criminal court proceedings, how to avoid a conviction, how to keep your record clear, and a whole lot more. I'm board certified in criminal law, and I've been trying criminal cases for over 25 years. This is the third in a three-part series about pretrial intervention or pretrial diversion, or PTI for short. Now, in my previous videos, I told you about the PTI program. When you finish the program, you don't have a conviction on your record, but the record of your arrest will still be there. So if a future employer does a background check and sees the arrest, you got to explain to them what happened. You need to get rid of that arrest record so you don't have to explain anything to a potential employer or anyone else for that matter. That's the biggest reason you need to get rid of that record of your arrest. You get rid of the arrest record by filing what's called a petition for expunction. The expunction will erase any record of your arrest and your background check will be clear. As an aside, anyone who's ever been arrested and had their charges later dropped without any type of court-ordered conditions connected to it can have their records erased. Also, if you've ever been found not guilty by a trial court, you can get your arrest records erased. And anyone who's ever finished something called deferred adjudication for a Class C misdemeanor can also have those records erased as well. Now, let's get back to the nitty-gritty of erasing the arrest record after you finish the PTI program. Once you finish, you need to file a petition for expunction. In the petition, you have to identify any agency that might have records related to your arrest or your case. This includes the police department that arrested you, the sheriff's office, or any other department involved in your arrest. It's important that you list all the agencies, because if you leave any one of them out, that agency will not be under any obligation to destroy the records of your arrest. The entire process from start to finish, roughly 60 to 90 days, but when it's done, there's no record that you ever were arrested or had anything to do with any kind of court proceedings. Now that you've finished the PTI program, it's time to get those records of your arrest erased forever. It's paramount you do that. And that's about it for the pretrial intervention program and how to erase your records. It's very important you do that. As always, you can leave any questions or comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. You can always check out my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com for more detailed information about different aspects of criminal law. As always, this is the FEDORA Lawyer signing off.